Hello, I am teacher David Danyo Jr., your teacher in MAPE.
Hello, today we're going to share to you and discuss Arts 8 for the quarter 4 on Module 1. The topic that we're going to tackle this moment is about the festivals and theatrical forms celebrated all over Asian region. So let's start. So we're going to identify selected festivals and theatrical forms celebrated all over Asian region and researches on the history of the Phils festival and theatrical form and its evolution and describe how the community participate and contribute to the event. Uh, anyway, we're going to discuss briefly about this uh, celebrated festival in Asia, especially the most popular one. So here are the festivals. We're just going to discuss three. The first is uh, in China. So the traditional and very popular Chinese New Year will be discussed. So first of all, we're going to identify festivals. Festivals are celebrated are celebration of like culture and tradition. There are different types of festival, and all of this allow us to keep connection with our roots. So to preserve our culture and to create harmonious relationship in our community, there are festivals. Usually during festivals, there are reunions, there are gatherings, there are get together, and this is not happen uh, daily or weekly or monthly, but usually it will only happen once a year. So it's very important. The purpose of this is to preserve the good relationship, the tradition, the connection, the culture especially. So identifies parts or place in the earth these festivals are being initiated. So let's continue. We're going to select or have only three festivals, the most popular one. So the first Asian festival that's so popular is the Chinese New Year. So Chinese New Year is commonly referred to as the Lunar New Year because it is the most important festivity in the Chinese lunar calendar. At times it is called the Spring Festival. So as it starts from the beginning of the spring, usually the end of the January, the Chinese New Year is happening or taking in place. So a picture that illustrates the color, commonly used color during Chinese New Year is red. So that is bright red. Most common we can see the circle shapes during this Chinese festival because according to Chinese, circles are symbols of success. So next Asian festival that we will going to see and tackle is the Taiko, the festival in Japan. They call it the Taiko Drum Festival. Taiko drums being used in temples and shrines all over Japan over 200 years ago were originally played in the religious ceremonies in court style music and even in kabuki theater. So the kabuki theater and the drums used in taiko drums are related. Kabuki theater they also use this taiko drums. So we're going to show you uh, how taiko drums look like. It looked like this. There, huh? And you can see how they beat the drum. There are big and there are small. Probably it sounds very strong. That uh, uh, it's hard to resist it when you're near. But the player enjoys beating it. So the next festival in Asia that we're going to relate to you is the Bali Dance Festival. The Bali Dance Festival is happening in, of course, Bali, Indonesia. So Balinese dancers are a very ancient dance tradition that is a part of the religious and artistic expression among the Balinese people. This is how the dance look like. Then that is so. This is the small discussion and uh, discussion and learning about the Asian festivals. So, in summary, the famous Asian festival uh, is happening in China, the Chinese New Year. Second, in Japan, uh, the kabuki or using the taiko drums, and another in Bali, Indonesia, dance festival. So there you are. Here are the most prestigious and popular festival happen in Asia. To give you materials to read and review, here is the module of Arts 8, Quarter 4, and Module 1. So you can see the part of the things that we have discussed earlier about the festivals in Asia. So there you are. As I scrolled this module earlier, you have seen. Let's go back to the uh, Chinese New Year, wherein here are the zodiac sign, Chinese zodiac sign, and a 12-year cycle that is based on the Chinese lunar calendar. So number one, Rat, birth year 1936, 1948, 1960. So review this one and find it to yourself. What uh, what is your zodiac sign, or what year uh, are you are you are born? And is it year of the pig, dog, rooster, monkey, goat, sheep, or any other sign? So try to look at it and find out what year you're born. And good luck. Uh, enjoy learning, and I hope that you get something from this discussion that we have.
Thank you for watching and listening. See you in next video. Bye bye.